How to pair Plantronics Legend Voyager wireless hands-free Bluetooth headset with a Windows 11 computer desktop or laptop. From the home screen, go to the Startup menu, then go to where it says Settings. And you're doing this few steps here if it's your first time connecting it. So go to where it says Bluetooth and Devices right there on the left side. Then go to where it says Bluetooth. You'll see a switch right there that you want to turn on. And if it's not there, check Device Manager to see if your Bluetooth adapter needs to be enabled. Then go to where it says Add Device. As you click on that one time, another window will open up and you want to go to where it says Bluetooth right here. When you click on the Bluetooth option, it's going to start searching for nearby devices such as Bluetooth devices. Now on your headset, your Plantronics headset, assuming you have some battery life in it, from the off state, go ahead and turn on the switch found right here. This is the on and off switch. So go ahead and push that up. You'll see that blue light. But to get it into pairing mode, there is a little answer and call button found right there. I'll show you in a moment here. That right there, okay? So you're gonna hold that down and don't let go until you see the blue-red blinking light. So just hold it down until you see this here. All right, so that's the key here. You wanna get it into pairing mode and you'll have to do that. Once it's in pairing mode, you can let go of that little button and it should show up on your Windows 11 computer as PLT Legend. Once you see that, go ahead and click on it. It'll say connecting and you'll see that it's connected for you. You can check the headset for the blue light indicator and you can close that out there. And you'll see to the top right there that it's connected as your current device. You can also go down to the bottom right section where the volume control is and choose where the audio will be coming out. So that volume panel there, you can click there to the very end. There's an arrow and you'll see that you can use it as headphones as well. Now, if you want to use this as a mic, you'll want to go back into the main settings here and go to where it says System, the part that says System right there to the top. And from there, you'll go to where it says Sound. Here you have full control whether the audio comes out from the Plantronics, and if you go down, you'll see where it says the Input, and that's where you can choose whether the Plantronics will be your mic or the computer itself. And that is that. Like, sub. Thanks for watching.